Good morning, students. In this video, we are going to discuss the topic differentiation of functions by trigonometrical transformation. In this topic, you have given some functions and which are not possible to differentiate, but by transforming them into simple questions or in simple form, we can differentiate those functions. So in this we have to use some results which are 1 minus cos x is equals to 2 sin square x by 2, 1 plus cos x is equals to 2 cos square x by 2, sin 3x is equals to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x, cos 3x is equals to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x, sin x equal to tan x by 2 upon 1 plus tan square x by 2, cos x equal 1 minus tan square x by 2 upon 1 plus tan square x by 2, tan inverse x minus tan inverse y equal tan inverse x minus y upon 1 plus x y, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus x y. These are the results which you have studied in class 11, trigonometry or inverse. This is your chapter in class 12 which you have studied, chapter 2nd. Okay, so these are the some results taken from these two chapters, trigonometry of class 11th and inverse trigonometric function of class 12. Now some substitutions which you have to use to solve these type of questions. If your function is of the form fx equal under root a square minus x square, then you have to put x equal a sin theta or x equal a cos theta to solve this type of questions or to differentiate this. Second, if your function is of the form under root a square plus x square, then you have to put x equal a tan theta or x equal a cot theta. If your function is of the type under root x square minus a square, then you have to put x equal a sec theta or x equal a cosec theta. Last is, if your function is of the type under root a minus x, then you have to put x equal a cos 2 theta. So these substitution which you have to substitute in these forms of functions to differentiate these functions. Now let's see some examples of differentiation of trigonometric functions by trigonometrical transformations. I have sent you the PDF of these results and substitutions. Now let's see example number 1. You have to differentiate the function sin inverse under root 1 minus cos x upon 2. Now how to differentiate this function? See the results I have given you. There is any result of for this 1 minus cos x? Yes, 1 minus cos x is equals to 2 sin square x by 2. So we can simplify it first. Under 1 minus cos x is written as 2 sin square x by 2 upon 2. 2 will cancel out. This becomes sin inverse. Under root will cancel out from the square. Now sin x by 2. This is inverse and this is sin. This will cancel each other. The function will remain x by 2. Now differentiate this function. Dy over dx equal d over dx x by 2. equal 1 by 2. This is your result. So, as you see that by using some trigonometrical transformation, how easy the function becomes. The given function is, on seeing it seems very tough, but when we use a transformation, it becomes very simple, and we can differentiate this function very easily. In the similar way, let us see another example. Tan inverse cos x plus sin x upon cos x minus sin x. Now we have to differentiate this function. What we can do to make it simple? Let us divide numerator and denominator by cos x. So this will become 1 plus sin x upon cos x is tan x. Cos x upon cos x 1 minus sin x upon cos x is tan x. 1 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan x. Now 1 is tan 45 degree. You can write tan pi by 4 plus tan x upon 1 minus tan pi by 4 into tan x. Why I am not writing tan pi by 4 in place of this one? Because we have to make a formula, and this is the formula of tan a plus b. Now we can write it tan inverse tan pi by 4 plus x. This is inverse, this is tan, cancel each other. The function will remain tan pi by 4, only pi by 4 plus x. Now differentiate it. Dy over dx equal d over dx pi by 4 plus x, which is equals to 0 plus 1 equal 1. This is your answer. Now see an example of substitution. Sin inverse 3x minus 4x cube. We have to find the differentiation of this function. What we can put here? See the results. There is any result of this type? Yes. We have a result. Sin 3x is equals to 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. So we will put x equals sin theta. Y equal sin inverse 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta equals sin inverse, this will become sin 3 theta. Sin inverse and sin will cancel each other. The function will remain 3 theta. Now put the value of theta. Theta is equals to sin inverse x. This implies y is equals to 3 sin inverse x. Now differentiate the function dy over dx is equals to 3 times d over dx sin inverse x, and the differentiation of sin inverse x is 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. So in this way, by substituting some values, by transforming the trigonometric functions, we can make the function simple and differentiate it in an easy way. Solve the given questions. If you have any doubt in any question, then you can ask in doubt group. Thank you.